Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving you belong in a developer role, collect your company registration or government ID and tax numbers right away. Once done, register a professional email and have an online portfolio or simple website that demonstrates prior work. Nintendo evaluates credibility. Next, assemble banking and legal documents so you can accept payments and sign contracts. Make sure information matches exactly across forms and ID to avoid verification delays. Accuracy speeds approval and prevents back-and-forth requests. Now you fill the developer application carefully, entering legal names, addresses, and tax ID exactly as on official documents. Once submitted, upload your portfolio, game screenshots, and any signed agreements the portal asks for, because these justify your access level. You will receive verification prompts, confirm email and phone, and enable two-factor authentication. This secures your account and speeds trust checks. If your documents are inconsistent, respond to requests promptly with corrected files to keep the process moving steadily. At the finish line, accept the developer agreement, provide payment and tax details, and request any required dev console access. Once approved, download the SDKs, configure your development environment, and enroll in the submission and certification workflows so you can build and test. If the application is rejected, don't panic. Compare the rejection notes to your submission, correct mismatched names or missing ID, and contact platform support with exact error messages and file names. That targeted follow-up usually resolves most holdups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.